The problem with giving them the insight on a voicemail or an email, and by the way, the opening is something like, hey, there's a little secret that the top performing companies are sharing amongst each other. I just want to make sure you were aware of it. There's something going on that's affecting everybody that nobody's talking about. Wanted to make sure you were, that kind of speech. The problem with filling in the blanks is you're now relegated to a little tiny box where all you can say in that little box is, so what did you think, right? And it's like, we want to throw the bait out there and have a conversation. And when I say throw the bait, I want to be crystal clear. I don't teach sales manipulation, but we want to put that out there, and then they have to respond to us and have a two-directional conversation. And sometimes if they respond to the email and go, what's the insight? I'm giving you permission, David, to go, it's complicated, it's got some moving parts, but I think we can knock this out in a less than a minute conversation. I'll give you a call right now, or I just left you a voicemail. If you have their number, call and respond to that. Don't respond to that email with an email, respond to it with a call. And then your email will be, I just left you a voicemail. This is much easier for us just to run through. Feel free to give me a call, whenever works for you. I'm on my mobile.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.